As a bit of a follow-up to my last video regarding the reversing camera on the Subaru Impreza G3, I've recently got my hold of the reversing cable, which you can kind of see the yellow RCA connector in there, which that is an 8-pin plug which plugs into the back of the factory head unit. I managed to track down a reversing camera which fits into the license plate light that lives above the license plate in the hatch. That one was pretty much an OEM spec fit. All I had to use was a bit of double-sided tape to stop it wobbling around. Ran the cable from the back of the hatch through, connected it up to the 8-pin which I recently purchased, and the end result was as you'll see here. So we come up with a warning screen, stick it into reverse, and bam, reversing camera. The only thing I don't like about the camera is the angle's a bit obscure, but also with it the reversing grid lines can't be turned off on this particular camera, so they're embedded by the camera on this one. Overall, pretty happy.